Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Tesco account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in tesco.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Tesco. From here you'll be able to buy the groceries and essentials and other items. So if you want to sign in to your account, it is very simple. For that, what you have to do is look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to find two options: sign in, register. If you want to sign in to your existing account, simply click on the option sign in. Now you'll be led to the official sign-in interface of Tesco. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is enter the credentials. So first of all, enter your email address. Simply click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. You can see over here I've already entered it. Now after that you'll have to enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the option I've forgotten my password. After that you'll be able to reset it. Now after entering the email address and password, what you have to do is click on this option sign in. Now you can see over here you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Tesco account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.